How you guys doing? This is Jimbo from Shitbag, Tittyf, Kustomz, and Fabrication. You know us because we have a cool name. Not that we do good work, but we have a cool name. We're having t-shirts coming out soon, and also we're going to be on the Discovery channel starting next summer, so keep a lookout. So, today's video we're going to get some rust repair done. First thing you want to do is get your welder and go ahead and get it completely out of the way. I'll be completely honest with you, we never really use a welder in this shop. With a name like Shitbag, Tittyf, Kustomz, you know, they know we're quality because we got a cool name. So, we're going to show you how to fix this rust the right way so that the customer's happy, and they'll probably be back sometime down the line, but that just means we can make more money. What you're going to do is get some paper, just thin shitty paper, it's real cheap. We're going to take one piece, we're going to crumple it up, and now you need to crumple it up so that it fits in the hole pretty good. It takes a little bit of talent, it takes a little bit of time. I've done this for years, so I kind of got it figured out right off the bat. Now, we're going to jam that right in there like that. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, what we're going to do next, some shops would stop there. We're all about quality. We go the extra step. What we're going to do now, we're going to put some tape over it. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to hold that paper in there real good, and that's going to last for weeks. I mean, it'll hold for weeks most likely. Sometimes it's days, but usually it's weeks. Now, we're on the body. Now we got our rust repair done. It's on to body work. We're going to take a lot of Bondo, get as much as you can on there, and just start caking it right over the tape, just like that. You want to make sure that the tape goes away, so you really got to cake the Bondo on top of it. There we go. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and let this dry, and we're going to sand it with some 80 grit and probably just shoot it with some rattle can. And then I'm going to bill this customer about $1,800, and you know, that's the price they pay for quality because we do quality work. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to all my bullshit.